In Etabs, we're gonna go step by step on how to analyze and how to start from scratch on how to build a model of, let's say, our project. So for now, I'll just hit this for new model or come to file and click new model. It will bring me some sort of box of a model initialization and gives me three options. The most used one is this: use settings from a model file. So let's say, for example, I have a previous project that I worked with, let's say from the load combinations and the grid lines and whatever, and I will use that file as a template file. So it will save a lot of time and it's very useful. But since we're starting from zero and we're starting to get to know this file or this program, sorry, we're gonna use the third option, which is use built-in setting. For the display units, I'll choose metric SI, and concrete design code is ACI 318.14. I'll click OK. It gives me this new model quick templates. Now this allows me to manipulate, or let's say control, the grid lines right here in this left side, the number of grid lines in the X and Y direction, and also many other options. And on the right side I have the story data. Let's say I'll have 19 stories, and the typical story height 3.2, and for the bottom story height, which is in the ground level, it's going to be higher, so 4. I have this option right here, or I can custom story data. Let's just click that and see what it is, and click in here. Now I can, for each story, for example, I want story number 13, I want it to be 3 meters. I can easily do that, you see right here. Or I want the story number 18 to be 5 meters. That's just too much, but let's just say that's how you change it. And the similar to this is a very important, and it saves a lot of time. We will come to that in future videos, but I just wanted to show you that you can change the story height for each one by that option. I'll hit cancel for now, I don't want to change it. Since this is a new model, let's say, or it's our first time, let's just use blank for now to get to know other stuff, not just get the grids only. Let's just hit OK for now. Now I see that I have 3 parts of my screen besides the tools up and at the left side. Now I have this model explorer, and for the plan view, which is the top view, for the story number 4, and this window is showing me the 3D view of the whole model, let's say. If by accident you click X on this and you closed it, you can go to the options and show model explorer. You can have it again, you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you want. And let's say we want a third window, we can click right here, add new window. Now I got another window, so that's just how things are. So maybe I'll cancel this one, just to show you that you can get multiple windows on different views. We will get to that more detail. So let's now save our project. First it's save as. After you've chosen a place to save your file, and let's just give it a name, we'll say first try, and hit save. Now it's saying that it's saving the model and